friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do fractions. Now this is for beginners. Now let's see what is fractions. Fractions are equal parts of a whole. They have two parts: numerator, top number, and denominator, bottom number. Means fraction are equal parts of a whole. Means if a equal parts is there, so it will be known as fractions. So like and subscribe, और जैसे घंटी की आवाज़ आ रही है आपको वैसे बेल भी बजा देना. So now let's see what is fraction. Fractions are equal parts of a whole and they consist of two parts. First of all, they consist of one line. Then the first part is known as numerator, which is the top number, and denominator, which is the bottom number. So now let's see more about fractions. Fractions, I hope you can recognize fractions like a rainbow. So recognize fractions like a rainbow and keep on learning. Fractions are equal part of whole. Means it is a equal part. For example, a pizza is given, so it is the equal part of a pizza. Okay. Now 1/3, we say the upper number we say 1, and then the down number we will say upon 1/3 because it is upon that. Numerator is the parts shaded. Okay, numerator are the parts shaded, and how many parts that make the whole. For example, a pizza and 4 are there, so it will be known as 4. That denominator means, and in this is shaded, so 2 are shaded because 2 you have taken, so it will be known as numerator. So I think you understood the concept numerator and denominator. Let's read about numerator and denominator in detail. The top number of a fraction, the top number in a fraction. Numerator is this. The line means out of. Okay, the line means out of. It shows how many equal parts we have, as I told you. Now let's see denominator. The bottom number in a fraction, it tells how many equal parts have been broken into. Means how many, the rectangle has been broken into 5 total pieces. So I know the denominator is going to be 5. Yes, the girl thinking is right. So 5 will be the denominator, and in this 3 is shaded, so 3 will be the numerator. Now let's see some more examples. See, a equal circle is given over here, and they are divided into 2 parts. See, you can see 2 parts. So 2 is written down and 1 is shaded. So 1 this. I hope by this example you must be understanding. Now 1/4. It is divided into 4 parts. 1 is shaded, so 1 and 4. Okay. Now 4 parts. 3 are shaded, so 3, 4. Okay. I hope you are understanding very well. And please remember, in fractions, if it is given, so you have to see only equal parts only, then only do the fraction concept, because it is the equal only, no other things. Okay, means, and if I take circle, I make like this and without equation. Okay, in this, now another is in this 3, so 1 is shaded. So okay, I hope it must be understood to you. You can see more clearer in this example also. 1 piece is taken over here. Imagine 1 piece is over here and 4 pieces must be there. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So that's only here it is written 4, and every piece is 4/1. Okay, every piece is 4/1, so it will be fraction. Every piece is 1/4. 1/4. I only forget 1/4. 1/4 over here also, but anybody has taken. If it will be in 3 pieces like this only, so it will be 3/1 every each piece. So I think it will be clear to you. In the next class we will do more examples. And Dubai student, don't forget to like and subscribe and make subscribe button like this. Bye, have a nice day.